Step number 1, draw 5 circles. 1, 5. And for the overhangs, it's exactly half a circle. The first and the last circle that we drew are our front wheel and rear wheel. Great, that's a good start. Now let us mark the ground plane. Now let us just mark the center of all the circles that we have drawn, just for reference. Okay, now draw one more circle on top of the half circle that you have drawn at the rear. Now draw one circle on top of the third circle that you have drawn over here. Now draw one more circle on top of the front wheel. Okay, so this is the basic structure that you need to draw a Tesla Model Y. Okay, so which are the hard points over here? So the first set of the first point that you need to do is just take this point over here. Let us call it point number 1. This one over here. Second is this one. Just take the center, go over here, and this is your point number 2 over here. Next, third point is all the way over here, so just go a little bit up over here from the center, and this is going to be your point number 3. Right? So how to join these dots over here? So it's pretty simple actually. So first take this point over here and just concentrate on this point, and then just join them with a smooth curve with some tightness to the curve somewhere over the middle. And what I mean is, the uppermost part of the curve should be somewhere in this region over here, just at the end of the third wheel that you have drawn, and slightly above the second circle on the height wise. So this is the maximum roof point. So just take it and make a smooth curve. And now let us concentrate on the front of the car. So this is your first point, and then just join with point number 2 over here. Now just to complete the front part of the car, just take the same line, go slightly up and draw a smooth curve. This, and since there are no air vents in Tesla cars, it's not going to be of a big deal. Okay, so this part is taken care. Now let us draw the rear of the car. So from this point, just come in a little bit and then take out a little bit, but don't exceed this line over here. Alright, so now we have the basic shape of Model Y. So now to just draw the greenhouse of the car, just come to the center over here between these 2 points, then go up until you meet the roof line, and over here just come inside this part over here, the first wheel that you have drawn, then go up to this point. Now from this point to this point, draw a smooth curve. Now just follow the same curve and join with this. Okay, now our Tesla is beginning to take shape. And just give some details to the windscreen over here. Tesla has got a really long windshield which should end somewhere over here. Okay, so everything is looking good over here, and now it's time to add some details to the car.